Hello everyone, Shane here from RepairDesk. In this video we will learn how to process payments with RepairDesk Payments. First, log into your RepairDesk account and click on Point of Sale. Now add an item to the shopping cart by scanning a barcode or using a keyword search. When you're ready to collect a payment, click on the Checkout button. On the payment screen, select RepairDesk Pay, enter the amount, and then click Process Payment. The terminal will now display your card items for 5 seconds. If tipping is enabled, a customer can either select a preset amount or enter a custom amount to tip. When the Present Card screen is shown, a customer can either tap, dip, or swipe their card and enter their signature. Once the payment is successful, the POS will show the transaction is now complete. Click Confirm to complete the transaction. This eliminates any keying errors, reconciliation discrepancies, and allows for easier refunds. There's also a link in the description that showcases how to process a refund with RepairDesk Payments. If you would like to learn more about RepairDesk Payments, please visit our website or send us an email at payments@repairdesk.co. Thanks for watching and have a super day.